Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and let me see if I could place you guys here. So yeah. So as you know, this is my outfit for today. I probably might be covering my hair up, or I'm just gonna let it down. I have this like tie-dye, and it's pink, blue, and green. So yeah. And then I have these shorts, and I might change them, but I have these on. So yeah. I don't know if today I'm making a slime video. So yeah. So we're just gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking more of a slime. I'm not sure what I want to do. I did do my nails. They're not, I like them, but they're not as I was gonna think it would be. Thought they were gonna be a little more longer, but this is what I have. So now I'm gonna be taking out the slime I have. I don't know if I'll be doing that, adding too much of it, or I'm just gonna show you what I have in my slime. So here we go. So down here in my drawer, I actually have all my slimes, and I don't really have a lot, but I have a few. So this is what I'm going to be having. So I do have this one that I made. It's just a plain white one. It is kind of sticky, so I won't really be touching it because it's kind of sticky. I am going to add detergent to it. So yeah, I really like this slime, so this is the slime I'll be using. So that is the first one I eventually have. Then the next one, I have like this pink foam bead one. It's not that kind of stretchy, but it's still there. And this is supposed to be like a butter slime. And I also need to be adding detergent to this one because it is kind of sticky. And sometimes the foam beads get stuck on you, but I really don't care. So so those two are the ones I've showed you. So now moving on to number 3. I have I'll split this from this container. They're different. I have different containers. I actually got these off for Christmas. I have, by accident, some clay in it. And this is really stretchy. It was supposed to be butter, but I really don't care. This actually turned out to be a really good slime. Sometimes the clay gets stuck on you, but it's okay for me. I literally dropped it. I dropped it on the floor by accident. So yeah, sometimes the clay can get stuck on me. I actually do not like when that happens, but I'm gonna have to get used to it because it's gonna be in there. So that is that. And it does have white foam beads in it. And in here, I have them in small containers. I do have these small containers. My first color is this yellow one. I have this yellow one. Then I have like this blue one. I try to do the whole rainbow of this blue. I think some been leaking, I'm not sure. I have this green one. It has like the clay in it too. Then I have this orange. Then I have this is my favorite. It has like a teal. It's like, I don't know how to call it. It's my favorite though. And then I have this purple one, which I also like. And then these are like kind of the same, but this one is pink. And then this one is red. They kind of look the same, but you could tell which one's lighter and which one's darker. So basically, these are the ones I have that are colorful. And I do keep them in a container like this. these two I decided to go together because they're both kind of the same color and plus they don't fit in there. So how I fix it is I just like go like this. Sometimes they roll down the aisle, but it's fine. And I'm impressed that these actually all fit. So yeah. This doesn't fit. Okay. Never mind. I got it. So yeah, this is how I keep it in there. So those are the 11 slimes I have. I think I have another one, but you know. So this is the gallon I actually use, but like now, you could really tell in the camera how much I have, but when I try to see it, you really can't. This was from Christmas, and now it used to be like, I think it's up here, and now it's like down here. And I did run out of detergent, so that is why I'm basically not really making slime anymore. And then I just have like bowls and stuff in here, stuff I use. So yeah. So that's basically what I have in there. I'm gonna touch a few of them. Some might be sticky. You could tell they're sticky. But I have to officially buy some new detergent. That's what I'm planning on doing. So yeah. If you like this video, please comment down below. So yeah, these are basically, so this is the blue and this is the yellow, which makes green, and basically my green is down here. So I'm gonna be touching a few. So we'll be touching the blue one now. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. I didn't get used to it, right? So they are really clicky. I just don't want to do it now because I'm scared like I might make a mess, and I'm basically with nobody right now. Well, my sister is, so that she's taking care of my little brother. But like, oh no. It's like a disaster now. I'm gonna wash my hands. So I have nothing to dry my hands with. So yeah, that is basically what I have in from my slimes. So yeah, unfortunately this is actually my second YouTube video. So yeah, please don't make fun of me. And I do have like all my stuff I need to make my slime. So yeah. So with that white one I just showed you, I will be using that for a video. And sometimes when I don't, I can use this. No, I'm kidding. I don't use that. So yeah, that is basically what I have for today. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and peace. No, I'm kidding, guys. I'm not done yet. So I think I don't know what to do now. So today, just bye.